Hi, welcome back. Today's video will be a demo of the new Glide Gear teleprompter. This is also the first video I am making using a teleprompter. You may wonder why this would be necessary to create simple YouTube videos. My answer would be this. If you had seen the 13 or so other takes I made in trying to create the opening sequence before the teleprompter arrived, you would definitely understand. I can imagine that my fellow YouTubers, content creators, and bloggers understand as well. How do we make better videos? Well, first and simplest answer is the old adage of practice, practice, practice. I believe the more we record, the more comfortable we become in front of the camera. That said, you'll find most professional speakers use a teleprompter to keep them on track and create continuity in their deliveries. I still trip on words once in a while and still stumble while talking, see? But having the script play out in front of me frees up my mind to talk and deliver instead of trying to think what to say, which words to use, and my delivery, all while performing in front of an unforgiving camera. So let's jump right in and get started with this demo script I wrote to test out the teleprompter and the software I chose to run it on. First, the hardware. I'm using a Glide Gear TMP 100 teleprompter, which is designed to hold any size iPad or tablet, tripod mounted with my camera setup to provide an easy-to-use portable teleprompter. I'm currently viewing this script with PromptSmart Pro, which sells for $19.99 from the App Store, running it on an iPad Air with Retina display. While none of these products are supporting me, I will say the setup was very simple. I was easily able to create a document and pages using standard white background and the traditional 8.5 by 11-inch portrait layout. Text can be simply copied and pasted into a document for use. I chose PromptSmart Pro for its ability to automatically scroll based on voice recognition instead of scrolling at a preset speed. This allows me to work at my own pace, adjust my delivery anytime I wish. The text scrolling can also be controlled wirelessly via cell phone if you're working as a team and you would like additional control of the text. The feature I liked most is that PromptSmart Pro actually listens to what I'm saying as opposed to just hearing my voice and scrolling based on the time that I'm speaking. This allows me to ad-lib content in the middle of my presentation should the need arise. It's a good time to talk about subscribing to my channel. So I'm going to ad-lib here and see if it doesn't scroll, and it should stay where it's at until it waits for me to get caught up. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel down below, ding the little bell, and feel free to comment if you'd like to see something special posted for you. As you can see, during the ad-libbed portion, the screen was standing by, waiting to resume my script and continue from where I had left off. This is a feature I just couldn't find on any of its competitors, and I think it's a game changer. This is definitely a great feature, one of my deciding factors in choosing this app over some of the others. Like most things in the App Store, the apps you pay a little more for tend to have the best features and service. This app is no exception, but for $19.99, I don't think you can go wrong with PromptSmart Pro. As I said earlier, I was able to create my presentation on my laptop in Pages, save it to the iCloud servers, and then simply import it to my iPad to run the presentation. So, easily editable via computer, easy to upload, very functional, follows my voice and pace accurately. PromptSmart Pro gets 2 thumbs up for me. I recently uploaded an unboxing and setup video for the teleprompter, and if you're interested in purchasing one for yourself, I'm including a product link in the description below. At $199, it wasn't the least expensive, but for its quality and the efficiency it will bring to my workflow, I think it was well worth the cost. If you'd like to save a little money and see if this is something you really need, click the tag above to learn how to create your own teleprompter for under $5. Yes, I said under $5. Your iPad or tablet is required though. Well, that's it for today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm a new content creator and still trying to grow my channel, so hit subscribe down below and ding that little bell to be notified when new content comes out. I'm always looking for new things to try or learn how to do, so if you'd like to see a specific topic or video created, feel free to comment down below and I'll do what I can to help you out. Remember, we are all forever learning. See you next time.